Today we're at Caney Lake Recreational area in Kisatchie National Forest, about 30 miles east of Shreveport, Louisiana. Got a trail here, 6.7 miles reported. Trail's supposed to go across a dam separating two of the large lakes, and it's supposed to be a very scenic trail. It's about 60 degrees, so it's nice and cool hiking weather. It's misting. I'm glad I brought my rain jacket. That'll give me a chance to test out recent purchase. I'll let you all know how that performs. So let's get started. Okay, we just got to the trailhead, and starting off with a nice clear trail. It's always good. And we have a pine forest we'll be walking through for the first portion. Get a shot of the trail behind me. All right. I'm about halfway in now, about at the 3-mile mark, and I'm in a rather open section. The rain continues, not hard, but a steady drizzle. So I broke out the new rain jacket, recently purchased at REI. It's a Mammoth Gore-Tex. Got a great deal on it. Found it on the clearance rack for over half off. Originally $250, got it for $138. The only compromise I had to make was it's a double XL. I'm a big guy, but I'm not really a double XL. But for the cost savings, I'll take that compromise. Roll up the sleeves a bit, carry on. It's a Gore-Tex, as I mentioned. I don't like the rain jackets that are trash bags. It's all the plastic. Whether the Gore-Tex breathes or not, doesn't really matter. I just like the feel of this jacket. So, we'll see. I got the pit zips open because it's still about 62, 63. Walking, I'm gonna get pretty warm. Ooh, a nice spider web. Almost caught me. It's one benefit of the rain. The cobwebs capture all the moisture so you can see them and not wear them. But at any rate, I'll let you all know how this jacket performs. A little bit of elevation change. Keep it interesting, get the heart pumping. It's been a very well marked and maintained trail the whole way. Haven't really had any obstacles to go over, around, or through, which has made it for a nice brisk hike. The rain has stopped. The jacket worked very well. Heat didn't build up, and I seemed to stay dry from both the rain and body moisture. So I'm pleased with that. We're getting down towards the dam now. There's a dam that separates the upper lake from the lower lake. I'm hoping to find some nice scenic shots from the dam. Maybe stop, take a break, grab a little bite to eat and some water. Hello.
All spider webs on now.
Thank you, ma'am. Nice biker. Already passed me. I told her she had the job of clearing all the spider webs for me. So she reported on the way back, all spider webs cleared. Cool. Earlier on the trail, I had a very large deer jump out of the forest and bound across the trail, startling me. I missed the shot because I was fiddling with my tripod. So I've decided to purchase the new GoPro 7 Black. Been researching and trying to figure out which piece of equipment would be the next best step to improve the content that we're bringing you. I've considered the Sony RX100 Mark V, Canon's G7X Mark II, all seem to be the preferred cameras of vloggers. And I've considered the Garmin Verb 360, which is still on my short list because it's just so cool. And I was considering the GoPro, at the time, 6 Hero. 7 just came out. And I think with the 7, put it on a head mount and have it recording as we hike to hopefully capture more of the splendor and the beauty of things that just happen very quickly and then they're over. That's a lot of the content that we're not able to bring. It's the first obstacle in the trail since I've been hiking. I made it to the dam. Not quite what I was expecting. It's an earthen dam separating the two lakes. Don't know if I was expecting Hoover Dam, but it is a dam nonetheless, and it'll be the trail back to the trailhead.